Hello, welcome back to the pet room. David Bradley here. I'm just once again shuffling things. These are Bluetooth speakers, and this is a little phone charger. This one is still working. Funny, I went to Dollarama to look for more of these little phone charger things, like little battery packs. Couldn't find them. Oh well. So in this box is a whole bunch of stuff, old bulletin board stuff, and I was thinking that maybe if I repacked it better, I could get some of these other modems in here. Because then they would all be together. I'm not sure if that is going to work or not. Here is a power supply. It can go in. This is, of course, from an SX64. It does not need to go in. Anyway, here we have these 4 things in various states of disrepair and completion and modification. I'm thinking that it is possible that they can all go in here. And then I don't need to be looking here and there and everywhere. I do not. Okay. So there's actually now 6 such modems in there. And that is good. Alright. So now, if I shuffle some of these things over here before they get shuffled upstairs. I can then what can I do? Well, I can pull this pet out a bit and I can look inside. Okay, this is definitely not at all the same as the one I've been looking at. Definitely not. Now, I think I have trapped this light. Oh, we'll see about this. Oh, yeah. All right. This is actually the machine from way back when Commodore ruined or made more difficult by drilling holes in this one. I can't really get open, but I'm going to pull it. I'm going to look inside, except it won't open. Oh, I remember this one. Okay, this too is not the same. It is not an original, such as this one. So I'm going to have to keep looking. But we are getting there. We are. For example, I believe this machine, if I were to reach over here and find an empty plug, of which I should have many. I believe, unless something has gone wrong, that if I do this, that it will come up and it will work. And indeed it does. 15,359 bytes free. Oop, and the shift lock is down. Oops, okay. The keyboard, I think. All right. could use a bit of a cleaning, because not everything is happening. Let's try this again. Can I get a question mark? Can I get a P? Well, it doesn't look like it. I was going to have it print something and do something magical. Now, once again, I mean, the keyboard could be dirty, or sometimes with some of the chips, this too can cause trouble. But I suspect the keyboard is dirty. Now, this other pet over here, I'm pretty sure I had it working too, but I'm not sure if there is a cord attached to it. And indeed, there is not. So let me go over to the fan here, where I keep cords. At least I think I do. There's a cord of sorts. I think, what is this? Okay, that's a cord. What's on the other end? Have I picked the one squirrely cord here? Oh my golly. What's going on here? Alright, that is not going well. I'll pick another cord. Is this a nice cord? It is. Now the next thing will be, perhaps I need to turn this off and move it, because I may not be able to get this in here. Oh, or maybe there is a cord that is tucked away, which means I don't need this cord here. Right, now I can put that back. So now, let's see. If we turn this on, what do we get? Okay, Commodore Basic. Lovely. This box with lots of motor. Oh my god, that's heavy. Does not need to be here at this moment. So let's see. Does this work? I think it does. Alright, what I've done, I've written a quick little part that prints, oops, World of Commodore. And we'll let that run. Oh, excuse me. The World of Commodore is indeed put on by the Toronto Pet Users Group every year. First week in December. First weekend in December, typically at the Admiral Inn. Oh, look. Here's a bag from the World of Commodore. Ooh. Maybe I'll put that up there. There we are. Anyway, I would like to think that somewhere online, if you go and you search World of Commodore 2024, there will already be preliminary information that just says, this is our plan, so that people can set that time aside. Because I know there have been other times when this has not happened, and this causes confusion. And the best way to make sure that an event is a failure is don't tell people when it is, and give them doubt about when it is. So then they say, oh, well, I guess I won't go to that. And then when they find out it's on, they've already made plans for something else, going somewhere else, doing something else. Anyway, so on this table, I have indeed 3 pets. Not working, mostly working with a keyboard that needs attention. And this one, I seem to remember, if I'm not mistaken, I tortured myself endlessly on that keyboard. So, we're coming along. In the pet room, we are. But, see, just down over here, there are, well, on the floor, there's 10 pets. So, I'm going to have to move things. Because on that table over there, there's another whole bunch of pets and stuff. And disk drives and stuff. I'm thinking of trying to figure out another place that I could just have a dedicated work table. Yeah. People have seen me trying to tidy up in the past. They know it doesn't go well. It just doesn't. Anyway, I will try. I will see if I can muster something like that. But anyway, it's hard to break up the pet room, but it's got to be done. I did earlier in a previous video. I finally managed to move one disk drive of the 22 in the pile there. And the one under that is a 4040, and I would like to think I have notes in it, and I would like to think it works, but I really don't know. So, we'll have to see. I will have to see what is what with that. I'll have to see. There's some scunge up here. Like somebody had a sticker of some sort up there. That will take some serious removal. This too is a metal one, and it's kind of rusty. Oh well, these things happen. This one here, oh, that's interesting. This one here, I guess it's also a metal one, but it looks better. I thought it was a ceramic. No, it's metal. So they're all three metal here, and they all have signs of rust. I know there are people who do repainting and things. I figure what I'm going to do with all of these as it goes through is I'll figure out what's wet and what's wet, and I'll try and get things together that are the nicest looking cosmetically. I will. And do I believe in keeping all the parts of a machine together? Yeah, I do. But, you know, you can only do what you can do. It's funny, as I look down here, I find, oh yeah, this is an old newspaper. August the 6th, 2010. And there's all kinds of, oh yeah, we've looked at this. I wonder what's inside this. I wonder. And why did I keep this? I just don't know. Oh, here's the, golly, I hope I didn't keep it because of the obituaries, but there are obituaries here. I don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. Brafman fence won't be coming down anytime soon. The Brafman mansion at 40 Burton Road, Forest Hill, is the subject of a fight over fencing that exceeds the city's maximum height restriction. The city has ordered it moved. Yeah, right. In other words, people who have tons of money will pay a fine rather than get something. Or, you know, I guess in some cases what they could do is chop a little off the fence. But it's funny, you know, this height restriction thing that I just saw there. It's not a wooden fence that blocks the view. It's like a beautiful metal fence that lets you still see through. It's just taller. Wonder how much taller it is. Anyway, there's other stuff here. Oh look, it's a 1541 2 in a box, and it really is there. And this, oh yeah, there's a 64C in a box. It really is there. And what's it on top of? I don't know what it's on top of. I'm going to move both these boxes. Maybe it's on top of a pet. I don't know. No, it's on top of something. Oh, well, there's one of the things I like. I should put that in the wash, because Penny's been on it. Oh no, it's on top of a bin. I do not need that here. That's a good thing I moved, because I can get that out of here and get at things a little better. Anyway, enough for now. We're making progress on table number 1. Somewhat, sort of, kind of, maybe, possibly. Anyway, hope to see you at the World of Commodore this year, and I hope that there's current information up about the intentions of what is what. And maybe I'll do some laundry with these black things. These are black kind of soft things, but they get dusty and they show the dirt. But they're good for covering tables and covering things and hiding things. They are. Anyway, see you perhaps at the World of Commodore, December 2024, I would suspect. I'll toss that over here. And, yeah. I wish I could get this doing something, but without the question mark. You know what I might do while I'm here, because I can. Maybe I'll just jiggle the keyboard thing a little. See if that makes any difference. And it does not. So I'll turn it off. And I'll turn this one off. And I will bid you farewell for now from the pet room. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. See you soon. Bye.